So over here you can see that I am in my quick edit mode right here. But another mode that you can work with is the expert mode over here. And once you go around onto the expert mode, you get the timeline over here that you can work with. So in the timeline, you can see that there's a video right here, there's audio, there's video 2, there's audio 2 as well, and so forth. And there's this timeline cursor provided as well. And you can see that as I move this along right here, it represents seconds over here. So right now what is happening is that from 0, if I were to go around onto the beginning, this is 0 in the beginning, and as I move along right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So this is what you have. As you can see right here, this is 1 minute. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that as I move along, certain percent of the cursor right here represents certain time. So I can go around and move this in right here just like this, and once I move this in, what happens is that if I were to go around and click and drag this out, now this portion represents certain time right here. This portion represents 1 second. If I were to go around and zoom in over here furthermore, then what happens is that now this portion represents 1 second right here. And for the timeline, what you can do is over here on the right hand side, this 2 number right here represents the frame, while this represents second. So let me just go around and say 0 itself, and if I were to say 5 right here, then the timeline cursor moves on to the 5-second range right here, just like this. You can go around and expand the video right here and the audio as well, and collapse the audio and video over here as well. If I were to go around onto project assets, I'll be able to see all of the media files right here. But let me just go around over here and import out some files right here. So let's just go around over here onto, let's say, my YouTube drive right here. And I'm going to go around over here onto my video, let's say, for example, onto my videos folder. And from the videos folder, I'm going to go around and bring in pixels right here. And if I were to go around and click and drag this out and keep my video over here. So this is what I have, as you can see. So let me just right click and delete and close gap, and you can see that this is the timeline over here, just like this. So this is the video that you can expand to see the details right here, and you got a line over here that you can work with that as well, and so forth. So that is what you have. So this is for the opacity right here. And this is something that we're going to talk about in detail in upcoming videos. So let me just go around and then reduce the size of this right here, and then what happens is that you can see that this is the video that you have over here, just like this. You can move around the timeline cursor, as you can see, and you can see the different parts of the video. And now you can see that over here this video is 45 seconds, and now this range represents 45 seconds. And if I were to go around and zoom in, now what happens is that there is more range of video right here. That is because now I'm zooming in onto the timeline right here. And that is how you can work around with the timeline inside of the expert mode. So you can see that this is the views as well. So you can go around and see audio views over here. You can see like disable this and enable this, and even record it out as you like, as you can see, and work around with it. So that is how you can work around with timeline inside of expert mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.